It's been a long day. I don't even know if I'm in focus. Hey. Man. So I had my kids today. Yeah. Need a lot of energy, you know. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or whatever time that you're watching this video. Welcome. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, my name is Bird. Sorry for the mess. I am an entertainer, I am an entrepreneur, and right now I'm a reviewer. We have been looking at Peace Be Still on Vimeo. The link is down in the description box for seasons 1, 2, and 3. We're on season 2 right now. I'm not even going to spend too much time talking because I'm that tired, but I am going to give you these disclaimers. We are going to have spoilers, fussing, cussing, sipping, smoke. I keep trying to tell y'all, I am grown. I'm going to have a short version and a long version. I'm not even sure if this one is going to be long. I'm lying. It's going to be long. You do have the links down in the description box to watch the full season, uncut, uncensored, without the commentary, because I get it. Afterwards, I do like to see reviews and reactions. I just like that. That's just my thing. So if that's why you're here, good. We're going to review. We're going to react. You're going to get my genuine reaction because I have not seen season 2 or 3. And baby, this season 2 has been a lot. Go ahead and click the subscribe button so you can get the latest drops. When I drop my content, when I drop my news, you're there. You're already there. You're already on the focus. I appreciate all 12 of my followers that are with me today.
I just go to work every day, put the pressure on them. I ain't in their top 10, but shitting on the best of them. My focus changed so my circle couldn't stay the same. They don't believe I cut them off like a lemon did. I was tired of them fake ass friends anyway. If you ain't on my side, ass on the day. I ain't on that shit, but I stick to the script.
I had a hassle, now my wallet won't fit. He buy me YSL, I give him hell up on the D. He know I keep it solid tears all on my...
You wanted to see me.
You ain't doing no work with your foot up on the desk like that. Get your feet.
Tatiana wanted me to send you her goodbyes.
Oh no. Why would you?
And no, cut the bullshit, Abby. I know everything. She told me everything.
Everything.
And I know that you sent her to Vegas to seduce me. And I know that you did because you wanted me to sign this. Well, your wish has been granted.
It's a trick.
You are so fucking childish.
Love you too, sis.
Stay out the way. Get the money, stack the bread. Stay out the way. Stay out the way. Stay out the way.
There's something I need to tell you.
Oh, that's gonna have to wait.
Oh, Lord.
The fuck? Because what I have to say is much more important. Oh, don't be shamed now.
Like, how you get in? Cap on the laugh. Cap. How do you even get in? Y'all ain't even, well.
I'm gonna sell you my half of Stillful locations, so that way we can take it over together.
Let's do it.
How hard he's gonna play you. You won't even know what to do. Cause I don't trust this Duncan dude.
The hell you want? What I've always wanted, Pastor, I need for you to do your part to make sure we get this new community center. And other incentives now that I have this. Now, I would hate for this video to somehow become public of you obviously fucking the mayor's wife.
Took you a long time to get that line out.
Think about what that would do to all parties involved. Meet me at the church.
This dude came in the room suited. How you get in? I need to know.
What did you mean by Abel isn't really a steal?
I mean exactly what I said. Abel doesn't have the same father as us.
What?
I mean, it's not really confirmed, but Pop's always had his doubts. Abel knows it. That's why he's never really wanted to be part of the family business, because he's not really family. But anyways, I've got an empire to run, so gotta catch you later.
He said that so nonchalantly, like, we ain't been calling this man our brother in all our lives. Like, what?
Wow. I'm actually impressed.
You looked impressed.
Better than our last lead photographer.
Isn't that your brother?
Yep.
He don't give a
I
shit.
said what I said.
He don't give a shit.
Gotcha.
Maybe you stay up to something. Yeah. Ah! The slow creep behind. Uh-oh.
Where the hell did you get this?
Yeah, I copied that photo off the internet. You know, I like the scenery and say things for inspiration. But that's Chloe Sinclair. She's the chick that used to work here. They found dead in the studio, right?
Yeah.
Bruh.
Between me and you, rumor has it you two had a thing.
You see, rule number 1, don't listen to rumors. They'll get you killed.
Why would you say that? Why would you say that? And you, it's a mo. It's a mo. You nosy as hell.
Hey, it's Ray. Yeah, listen, I need you to do me a favor. Yeah, I need you to dig up some information on someone for me.
Cause, who sent you?
Duncan and I are joining forces. We are collectively going to buy still publications at a very, very low price. You know, some might even call it a steal. Pun intended.
I guess what they say is true. Good dick make a woman go dumb.
Oh.
I mean, that's what happened, right? You two had sex right before you signed this, right?
Look, I don't see how that had
Exactly. That's it. You didn't see. You didn't see the small print right here where you signed over your half of the company to Leitz Enterprises. See, Leitz Enterprises is my auxiliary company.
Duncan!
Oh yeah, you didn't know.
Oh.
See, Duncan, he works for me.
Oh wow.
He's doing exactly what I told him to do. You see, Leitz Enterprises is a shell company. It's still spelled backwards.
Oh wow.
You see, my father
I'm gonna play
bought Duncan's family's business years ago. But he let them still operate under a separate entity. But I'm disappointed in you. Because had you not been so digmatized, you would have done research. And you would have known that.
Really?
Naomi, I'm sorry. I was just doing my job.
You know, you're damn right, you're sorry.
Well done, my good and faithful servant.
Oh Lord.
You can go now, Duncan.
Oh!
So you did all
To
this?
get you out? Hell yeah. You see, just in case you forgot, I am God.
Oh.
I know all and I see all.
Oh, Lord.
Everything and everyone will move how I see fit. You see, this is a game of chess. I'm king and you're my pawn.
I'm sorry, I did have to stop right there, because you ever notice with every film and television show, whatever the case may be, when folks start proclaiming that they're God and that they're above everyone, that's when things start to crash and burn. Now, this was a cute little move, I will admit, but we all know typically this is going to come back and bite him in the ass. It's going to bite him in the ass. Well, we're going to let him have his moment, because she been really like wowzers for the past couple of episodes. So it's nice to see her get a little, you know, a little drop. But damn, this is another defeat. This is another defeat for you. So we just going to have to go back to the drawing board.
About time you got your ass in here.
Ooh.
I was actually thinking of a way of how I could disseminate this video to the public. Now, I know what I'm doing may seem a little extreme, but I dangled the bait right in front of you by getting Felicia to seduce you. And you were just horny enough to take it. Trust me, it'll all work out.
Ooh. Well. Oh. Beat up the commissioner. Pastor be making all kinds of just.
You got the devil in you, boy.
Ah!
Shut up! You got the devil in you, boy! Shut up!
You got something in you. Why would you, Pastor, make all kind of just silly decisions? I don't understand.
So, how's the search coming? Find any leads in your undercover investigation, detective?
I knew it.
See, the one thing you can't do with me is play dumb. See, I can smell bullshit about a mile away, honey. You, sir, you stinking up the joint.
And I'm going to ask you one more time. What do you want?
Hester. I'll keep you posted. Till then, your secret's safe with me.
It's a he is snitch. It's a bitch. It's a I mean, I don't know. He's definitely a cop though.
I know everything.
You do? What's
Everything meaning?
I know about the money.
Brittany.
No one ever really noticed when I was around, so it was easy to get the information.
Ooh! Well, I told him to close the door.
And I heard you on the phone talking about your debts and using company funds to pay for them.
And so, what are you planning to do with this information?
I want to help you.
I want to fuck.
Let me help you, Asher.
Let me fuck. Let me fuck you, Asher. Pastor, you're still here. Why? Oh, Lord. Who is this? Who is this? Pastor! Is this one of the flock?
I thought after your daddy died, I'd be done fixing shit for this family.
It must be Uncle Charles.
Come on.
We got work to do.
You need protection. And my cousin, he's gonna give it to you.
What's up? What's up?
Hey, dear.
Yo, cousin!
You know I'm gonna come through, especially for my favorite cousin.
Somebody lying.
Wait. You and your...
Yeah, Tia was adopted.
Look, y'all want this tonight.
Here it is.
Yep. We ain't got nothing. Yep. Get me. Tear. Get me. Woo. Woo. Get it together, Naomi. What you gonna do, Naomi? What you gonna do, Nene?
This is what you've been doing?
All day.
Abby, I need to talk to you.
I don't have time for this. What is this? Clean this shit up.
Look, I have something to tell you.
Whatever it is. I don't want to hear it, okay?
No.
I got way too much shit going on right now to deal with even more of your bullshit.
Talk to him, please.
Abby, please, I really need to talk to you.
No, Trevor. I'm done with this. I'm done with you. Now get your shit and get out of my house. And out of my life.
Oh. You just come home and break up.
I killed her.
What did you say?
I killed her.
Kill who?
I killed Chloe St. Clair.
Why? Why? That's so fucking random. Why? She ain't even nothing to do. This got Kane written all over it as he's sitting here and just cackling in his office with his feet up, fucking up his calf muscles and his thigh muscle areas just for no reason at all. You shouldn't have never, Nene, you shouldn't have never trusted a man named Duncan. What? That's his first name? Duncan? So my man's ain't been in the whole season thus far for 15 minutes as a whole. And we now hear that he the one who killed Chloe. So Kane set that up. I don't care what nobody say. And we gonna figure out on episode 4. I bet you. But he set that up. He set that up. You know, that secretary, she seemed like an op too. And as she goes and gets her adopted black cousin to get him a gun. Wow. He the only one with a gun in the whole family, huh? Oh, he's adopted. I'm uncomfortable. She wanted to give him some. I don't know why she tripping. She need to go ahead and give him some. Cause that's all this is. Cause what that gun gonna do? Cause they already done snatched him up. He done killed somebody. Ain't nobody came to ask any questions about that either. Like, where was you on such and such day? Like, I guess they just found your boy and said, well, another soul gone. It's rough out here in these streets, I know that. Well, we in it, so we're gonna have to get this episode 4. But I thank you for tuning in and watching it with me. Hit that subscribe button to get the latest content when I do these drops. I'll see you next time. Go ahead and check out my previous reviews from the previous episodes. Go ahead and check out my reviews from Bondage Season 3. So anyway, back into the prey.